If a doctor is board certified and you feel that he did not treat you appropriately, does that mean that you cannot sue him for medical malpractice? Come join me as I share with you this really interesting information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The short answer is you can bring a lawsuit against a doctor who you believe caused you harm and violated basic patient safety rules. Now, the mere fact that a doctor is board certified means that he has achieved the highest level of certification for a doctor in his or her specialty. But I will tell you right now that just because a doctor has passed his or her board examinations does not mean that that doctor is considered to be an expert for all purposes. Why not? Because in order for a doctor to become board certified, they have to go through a training phase. They have to go through 4 years of medical school, a few years of a residency, an approved residency program, and then they now have to be in practice for approximately 2 years in order to gain enough experience to then sit for their board examinations. So a doctor who becomes board certified is typically a relatively young novice doctor who's gone through many years of training and now is in practice for approximately 2 years. And if they now become board certified, all that means is that they have now understood and established that they are familiar with the basic standards of patient safety care, the basic standards of care that are to be applied in their particular specialty. So understanding the basic safety rules, the basic standards of care, does not mean that a doctor cannot be sued if it turns out that they caused you harm or violated the standards of care. And so this quick video is just to show you a little bit of an insight and an understanding that just because a doctor has achieved that board certification status does not in and of itself mean that the doctor did not violate the standards of care applicable in your particular instance. So why do I share this with you? I share this with you because in all likelihood you have questions or concerns about your own particular medical care. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski coming to you from New York. Have a wonderful day.